And today we're unboxing another LOL, except for this time it's a Big Sisters! And here I have Cutie Pie with me. Okay, so let's see. Only 35 to collect, and it comes with a secret message, collectible sticker, bottle, shoes, an outfit, accessory, and 7 is doll. Add water for surprise. Add water. Yeah. Let's open up from here. What does this say? Dress. I don't like it. Fashion forward. Oh, yeah, I get it. Fashion forward. Let's leave that here. And let's open this up now. Oh, okay, got that open. Let's see. She either color changes, spins, tickle, or cries. We'll find out later. Hold on for this wee little cutie pie. Wanna play? Okay, let's open this up now. Are you curious? Claw it open. Oh, it's a kitty. Ooh, fancy smash. Ooh, little pie. Grab it for me. You can do it. Yes. You want to open it? Okay, let's open it. Oh, thank you. Oh, she was excited for this all week. Okay. Oh, Mira, it's a bottle. It's super cute. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. This little teal color with white. Okay. Oh, you already got the other one up. Ooh, that was quick. You see? Oh, they got shoes. Look, they have little bows. And they're black on the bottom. They have so much detail. Look at that. That's adorable. Look at the other one. Exactly the same, I hope. Hoping. Yep, it is. Adorable, honestly. Oh, you want help? All right, I got you. Come on, at ya. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I've never opened these, so I don't know what to open first. Let's obviously open this. Anything else? Oh, look at that outfit, guys! That is adorable. Oh, that is the cutest dress I've ever seen. It's like this beautiful ruffles on the bottom. And then there's more ruffles on the top, and this is a cute little belt. Oh my god, that is so adorable. Okay, let's see what else we have. I can't open it. Okay. Oh, let's see. It says Miss Punk. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, it's kind of like right here. You see, it's a little Miss Punk too. Do I have Miss Punk? Oh, let's see. Where is it? Where'd you put her? Where'd you put her, little cutie pie? Oh, she's right here. Hopefully it's her. Oh, she said, let me out of here. Of course I will. Who will let you out of here? Who doesn't want to open you? Was that right? Oh, yes, it is her. She is the cutest. Hey, cutie pie. Oh, you want to put on her dress? Okay, let Tie Pie help. Oh, she's gonna look so awesome. Look at that face. Who's gonna say no? Who's gonna want to open this? Okay. That's an adorable dress. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, where?
What's you?
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Look at her. Look at her fishnet stockings. Adorable. Can you give me the other shoe? Thank you. Thank you, little cutie pie. Okay, where's the little... Oh, here it is. You wrap it around her and put in the little button right there. That's just not have anything to drink. We'll go get her something to drink. Okay, well, little cutie pie here is holding the baby. It's holding little Miss. I didn't see her name. Okay, Miss Punk is a little gem, so that means she's a fancy. Give her some water. Let's give her some water. Okay, I think she has enough.
Baby.
Oh no, she wants more. Oh, she cried. She's a crier. Oh, she can cry. Oh. Okay, now since we know what she does, let's give her a bath. You don't want to take a bottle of her, or she'll cry. Okay, that's it for this time, my little pies. Bye-bye. Say bye, little cutie pie.
Yeah.